Sir, why the fuck are you feeding him pancakes? He doesn't like fucking pancakes. It's waffles. Waffles. But he'll eat anything I'll give him now, right, boy? That's right, Dad. I love your cooking. See? He loves my cooking. Adrian, you don't need to like his cooking, but I love his cooking. It helps me shit. I'll have some too. Sit the fuck down. Now sit the fuck down. That's great. I'll have some too. That's good. Well, I'm gonna sit now. Bye. I'm going to fuck you up, bitch.